Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a complete backup of your YouTube data with Google Takeout. Open Takeout. Google. And sign in with your Google account. Select YouTube and YouTube music data for export. Choose a delivery method like a download link or adding to Drive. Exports can take up to 24 hours and produce dozens of megabytes to multiple gigabytes. Download the archive to a secure local folder or cloud storage. Confirm you can open the archive before doing any changes. Sign in at YouTube. With the channel you want to hide. Open YouTube Studio from your profile menu and go to Settings. Select Channel and then Advanced Settings to find account removal options. Click Remove YouTube Content and sign in again if prompted for verification. Select the option to hide your channel so content is removed from public view. Hiding preserves your Google account and lets you restore content later. Confirm the action by checking the boxes and clicking Hide My Channel. When you are ready to restore content, sign into YouTube and return to Advanced Settings. Open Remove YouTube Content and choose to unhide your channel. This will restore videos, playlists, and comments that YouTube retains after hiding. If YouTube does not restore everything, use your backup files to re-upload missing videos manually. To permanently remove all traces, repeat removal steps and choose Delete instead of Hide. Always keep your Google Takeout archive until you confirm a successful restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.